Welcome to Roland Adult and Community Education's Open House. Hi, I'm Melissa Beaumonk. I teach ESL Conversation. This class meets on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 12 o'clock to 2 o'clock p.m. on Zoom. So why is a conversation class important? I asked my students, and here are some of their responses. I want to feel more confident speaking English. I want to be able to speak with my children's teachers, their friends, and their parents in English. I want to be able to give a speech in English. I want to be involved in my community. I want to continue my career in the United States. These are excellent reasons to take a conversation class. So what's your reason? Teaching and learning from home is a new experience for many, but it can be done. Students work at home on a computer or laptop, or even a mobile device such as a tablet or cell phone. But it can be done, and it can be fun. During class, students participate in many activities to improve their conversation skills. These include activities such as listening, reading, grammar practice, writing, and speaking.
Listen. You will hear 3 conversations. What are the people buying? Check the items. Conversation 1.
Oh, wow, look! It's cheaper here than at home.
I don't know. After you calculate the exchange rate, it may not be so cheap.
Really? Yeah, I guess you're right.
Oh, here, smell this.
That's really nice. Is that for Rachel? We really should get her something special.
Yeah, she'll like this, I'm sure. The bottle is pretty, too. Excuse me.
Yes?
We'd like this, please.
All right. Is that all?
Yeah.
Okay. May I see your boarding pass, please?
Oh, yes, here it is. Do you have to see...
Students read texts and answer comprehension questions to further their knowledge about various topics we discuss during class.
Regular past participles.
Cook, cooked. Bake, baked. Taste, tasted. Try, tried.
Irregular past participles.
Be, been. Drink, drunk. Eat, eaten. Have, had. Make, made.
Students also express themselves through writing. Here's a sample of writing that was completed during class and a sample of a student newsletter article.
Okay, so my life before I moved to the US, I lived in Rio de Janeiro in Brazil, and I'm a screenwriter there and writer, and I worked with editorial books, book editor also. So I worked a lot, to move here. But I like it, my life there. But I like more today.
Good. So Raquel, that was good sharing. And now you already know what to write for number 1. What you just said right now is what you can write for number 1. Okay?
Okay.
All right.
How about you? Yes, I like country music. I also like classical.
Classical, yes, It's the same to
Yes,
okay.
every music I like. I like every types
Okay, but Grace,
types of music. Yeah.
Grace, you can add that you play classical music, right?
Yes,
So
I can.
you can add that to your conversation. So why don't you tell Min Min what you play?
Yeah. I can play
Piano.
piano and cello a little.
Channel.
Yeah, cello a little.
Channel
It's my hobby. Yeah.
Okay. What is
Okay, Min Min, cello, C-E-L-L-O, cello.
C-E-L-L.
C-E-L-L-O, yeah.
Okay, thank you, teacher.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
For this class, we use the Let's Talk 1 textbook and the Oxford Picture Dictionary. Both books include audio for extra practice at home. I have created an English with Melissa website and an English with Melissa YouTube channel to support student learning at home. We also use readworks.org for reading and extra support. Even though you are learning online from home, you are not alone. As you can see, there are many students in class who you can speak to and have conversations with. Students also work with partners or in small groups to have deeper, more engaging conversations. This is a great way to learn. Students learn more about life in the United States by discussing American culture, customs, and holidays. There are many videos available on my YouTube channel for students to watch at home as well.